Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video for BTS. Today we are unboxing the BTS Deco Kit with our Universe Army. So this is basically a stationery kit that is BTS themed. Now, I already love stationery even if it's not BTS, so the fact that they married both really made me excited. So this product was available March 2022 and it arrived at my doorstep in June 2022. So it did not take very long to arrive, which I'm thankful for. Some things do take much longer. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. I love how it has this outer box to protect everything inside. And it is a great box to put on my bookcase or my BTS shelf. Again, very sleek, colorful, and easy to open, which I need. Just opens like this. And let me just move that. So cute. I'm just gonna adjust the camera so we can see what's in here. I love this little button thing that it has. Very cute. It's wrapped like just a little present, which technically I guess it is a present to myself or a present from BTS to Army, however you want to see it. So I love this little string. And let's take a look. I know I could open that without the sticker, but I chose to open it as if it was a gift that nobody would judge me on opening on. So here are some really cute looking little photo cards. Let's start with those first. And on the back, it all says Deco Kit. And these look like little Polaroids. And the quality is slightly lower, making them look very realistic. I love how they're not smiling as if it was a candid photo. So there's two sets. Really fun. And it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm gonna go a little quickly. Please pause if you wanna take a longer look at anything. The backs are all the same. They're just black and they say Deco Kit. So let's set this to the side. Have some tape here for decoration. I have so many of these that I've never used because I wanna collect them, but at the same time, I wanna use them. I'm sure several of you are the same. We have a memo pad. I'm assuming there's different people in the memo pad. So let me take a quick look by opening it. I want to use a scissor, but I'm also worried of damaging it. So I'm just going to tear into it the best I can without hurting myself or the product. So these look like sticky pad sheets, and there's a different person on every one. I'm just gonna flip slowly so I don't miss anyone. Sorry, let me give you a better view here. Really nice. It's gonna be hard to use these. And hopefully one day I'll have the courage to use one because they are so cute. And every one of them is different. So I don't know if I could ever bear to use it. Let's not miss anybody. So I'm just gonna quickly flip through because otherwise we might be here all day. Okay, cute. And it's actually not sticky. It's a memo pad. More photo card and stickers. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm quite surprised. Oh, very cute clear card. And we have more, just says Deco Kit. go through these as quickly. Oh, I was gonna turn it around, but there's something on the back. Some of these. Don't want to miss any of that. And it's a different view of them on the back. Very nice. And great. So it was just the first one. So this must be the special pick card because it doesn't have a back. Let's also set that to the side. These are stickers. Let's take a quick look at these. I wonder if that means once I open them, I have to use them. Well, good thing I have this video so I can enjoy it. Let's see, cute little cartoon animals of them. So cute. Love that. Just to keep it together, I'm gonna put them back in the container. More tape. Well, good. I'm glad they gave us two, even though they're different. And it looks like these are little stickers. I bet they have different things behind them, so I'm gonna have to open it and take a look. These would be great for your appointment book, like a scrapbook, a card you're making for people, letters in different colors, and of course it's has little phrases from every one of them. Little scribbles that they've drawn and flowers. Okay, put that to the side. And the last part, oh, there's actually more. I'm sorry, that's not the last part, thankfully. Let's take a look at this. This is the Deco book. So I'm not sure what to expect here. And here we are. Looks like a colored, oh, it's a photo album. Just want to make, oh, you can cut it and make little crafts out of it. Not sure if I would cut them out, but I applaud them for attempting to convince us to do that. Maybe if I bought two of these, I would feel comfortable cutting one out. Maybe you might feel comfortable. Let me know if you have cut any of these out and made anything. Looks like it would make great little crafts. But I really couldn't bear to cut them. So let me know if you're doing anything with yours, because I don't know what I will do with this besides use it as a photo book. Set that to the side. And here are, these look like more stickers of them. I know there's always that question of it's stationary, I should use it, and it's stationary, I should hoard and collect it. I'm sure by now you know which camp I fall in. Great stickers of them. I would love to put this on my books, journals, maybe all over the house. If I could bear to take them off their little sticky paper. Really great quality stickers. I love those. And last thing is the notebook. So I'm just gonna move this box because it's starting to tilt since it's empty. And this is a very cute little notebook with a lock and a key. Almost like a journal, I think. Okay, looks like it's locked and I'm gonna have to unlock it. So please bear with me for a moment. So I try to get this key out. I'm not sure what it is, but something about a little lock with a key is always exciting. Of course, it has the BTS logo on it. Let's take a look at the front and the back. Very small little journal. And let's hope I never lose this key. And yes, it is an empty journal for you to write notes in it. First I thought that was a pocket, but it's not. It's a flat, just the line on it. Really nice. Again, so hard to decide if this is something you want to use. You could put your stickers in there and keep it all together. Really lovely little book. So fun. Looks like every member has their own page. So, I don't know. I love it. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I'm glad I bought it. You might feel the same. I hope this video helps you decide whether or not to purchase this. But really, it's worth it for all the stickers and collectible items, whether or not you use them. And also the photo cards. There's so much in here. And just the feeling of opening the package was so fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. And I hope this helped you decide whether or not you want to purchase this deco kit for yourself. And if you do, I hope there's a way for you to purchase it, whether it's through your local K-pop store or Weverse or a different online venue. So thank you so much for attending my unboxing. Bye-bye.